3 hours. 3 hours to complete the first step of painting this trim. Just the first step. So basically what we want to do is cover this with a nice bright white that we've also started using downstairs. So first thing I did was remove all this nasty brown trim. Took about 3.5 hours so far today. I'll show you my tools and I'll show you the fun little gadget that I use to pull out a couple hundred nails, I would say. Just a couple hundred. Also recommend a headlamp because that really helped with lighting to get down into the corners, and make sure you have some band-aids on hand and available too. So I'll walk you through it a little bit. This is 1970s paneling. The paneling butted up to these awesome solid wood beams. Had tons of trim, not just one kind, but 3 different kinds of trim in this loft in particular. So what I'm going to do next in here after I do some cleanup is probably use the pole sander and go ahead and sand all the paneling that will be painted. The solid wood beams, just like we've done downstairs, will not be painted. We'll leave those natural and exposed. As you can see, we haven't replaced the carpet yet, which is fine because all the junk that the mess that I've made today has just fallen on this carpet, and this carpet is going to go.